BIM 360. Okay, so the same concept is about how to push the information to the cloud. Okay, so I just want to say that there is a lot of way to push all the information that you have inside your desktop to the cloud, to the BIM 360 environment. But this one I recommend you to use an Autodesk desktop connector. The reason why we need to use Autodesk desktop connector, because just imagine that, let's say that if you have 1 to 2 files, okay, it's okay if you to upload 1 to 2 files, up to 1, 3 or 4 files. But let's say, just imagine that you have 100 of the file, private file, AutoCAD file. Okay, there's gonna be a time consuming for you to upload it one by one. So that's why we are proposing Autodesk Desktop Connector, because they have its ability to drag and drop. So that is the functionality that we do, okay, to ease our work. And the next thing is about the demo on how we're going to use this Autodesk desktop app. So here, on the both side here, I got the left and right. Okay, so the left here is actually on the desktop, and the right here is actually on the BIM 360 platform. Okay, notice that here, if I format, so this one is actually our BIM 360. Okay, BIM 360 hub. Again, you can see there is a list of projects that I have here, right? So what I would like to do is that I would like to transfer the information, the document that I have inside the desktop, inside my cloud environment. So what the thing that I need to do is that I just pick one of the projects that I wanted to use, and then I just go to this folder, all right, and then just drag it on the right here. Okay, so this one is going to be a transfer swing file. Okay, so you just saw it. It is really as easy as you think, right? So I think this one is really beneficial to us. And then the next thing is about how do I start fresh working directly from cloud? So this one, the things that how I'm going to start. Okay, let's say you are the new user, okay, or you are an existing user, but you need to have to know the basic principle of how they are working inside the BIM 360. So let's say that you are the new to BIM 360 account. Okay, so first thing you need to do is that you need to sign up. Okay, because if you are new, okay, you need to sign up to create what we call it as the company hub. Okay, so what is the company hub? Company hub is a central workspace in the cloud. Okay, or the project with the company hub. You can create the project, okay, by using this hub, and also view, access, and to join for the project. So that is the reason we need to create the company hub here. And then the next step you need to do is that account admin to create the project. You need to create a project. So before I proceed, what is actually the account admin? Account admin is actually a person who manages the BIM 360 account and its project members company data. So that is meaning of the account admin. So from here, you can create as much project as you can from here. So the next thing here, okay, there is going to be account admin or project admin to invite project members. So what is the project admin? So project admin is a person who manages the project members, companies, services, as well as if they want to do some editing on the project profile. So from here, you can invite up to 250 users, right? And lastly, it's about account admin, project admin to control the folders permission. Okay, so they got the facility on upload, view only, view upload, edit, and control. So just give you a scenario here. Let's say that you have a project. Okay, you have the consultant and also the contractor. Let's say that you have 3 folders inside the project. You want folder A and B to be pointed directly to the consultant and folder C on the contractor. So what will happen is that if contractor wanted to see whatever is inside the folder A, they are not able to do that because there is a control folder permission here. Okay, and then just explain about this thing about account admin to create project. So I just explain the user interface here. Okay, so from here we have the ability to key in as much information as you can with regards to your project here. Okay, make sure that you just put it project name, and then what is the contract type, what is the project address, and what is the image here. Okay, so from here you can upload an image. Okay, let's say that you have a company logo or let's say your client logo, and this one is really important. Okay, project data, because all the information here will be later it will be displayed later in the project home. All right. So the next thing is about account admin, project admin to invite the project members. So let's say that starting from here, okay, the first thing you need to do is that you need to key in, okay, the email of your project team member. But you need to make sure, okay, your members, okay, your team members have an Autodesk account with. If not, okay, it's gonna be a processing time. Okay, it will add, but that particular person need to ensure that they activate the Autodesk account, right? So this one you can add, in which that you can also assign whether they are the project admin. So these are the functionality that we have. Let's say this one is the equipment management, right? And then this one also you can set up for the role here, and then you can set for the company. Okay, let's say that inside the project you have 3 to 4 company. Okay, you can assign that particular person with the company, the roles, and also what is it the project admin or not, or the normal user. Okay. All right, about the normal user here, what can normal user do? Okay, there's nothing much normal user can do in terms of controlling, okay, the documents, okay? Because the project admin, as I mentioned, it is a person who manages the project's members. So if you are a normal user, you can actually adding members there, right? And then the next thing is about here, account admin, project admin to control the folder permission. So this one is regards to the scenario that I give to you. Okay, so from here, let's say that I want to control the folder submission. Okay, I can go to here, just right on the folder setting here. I can set it from here whether it is edit, view, upload, and any other functionality there. So from here, what you can do, you can do a multiple. Okay, let's say that I have 2% to be set until full control access. Okay, you just need to enter the names, or you enter the role, the companies, or an email. Okay, it is easy, like it is easy as what you think. And then the last thing is about what are the benefits for the better workflow. Okay, we talk about BIM 360. So BIM 360 can control publishing, it can viewing, it can share the information among the team members, and also it can be associated that when you want to control and do versioning for all file types. Let's say that I have uploaded, so it's by PPA as the version 1, and let's say if I do some modification, I upload it again, so it will appear as version 2, and so on. And then the next thing, this one is the most favorite things people want to do is to compare what are the version 1 and what are the version 2. So from there they can see what happened has been deleted, what happened have been deleted, edited, and addition to that. And then lastly is about the tracking project activity. You can see whoever upload the file, whoever download the file. Okay, you can see the tracking project activity from here. Okay, and this is the video. Okay, about the BIM 360. So this one is gonna be the project home. Notice that during the moment when you want to create project, you need to make sure that you fill in as much possible information that you can. Because why? Because it will appear inside the project here. You got the project address here, so this one, and also the project name, and then BIM 360 also provided the weather. Okay, what are the information on the weathering or at your site location. So the next thing is about this one is the folder structure. Okay, you can do it based on your normal practice, like in your office. And then let's say that if we want to upload it, okay, you can click upload it here. Okay, from here you must pick the file on your desktop and then upload it to the cloud here. And then the next thing is that, let's say that if you have the software, okay, you can also upload it directly from your software, especially on the Revit application here. Okay, this one is the project hub, and this one is the document that you have. Okay, so this one can be uploaded directly. You can make sure that you initiate, okay, whatever file that is regards to the opening Revit file here. And then the next thing is about let's say that if I want to do some commenting here, okay, if I see if let's say that here I'm not really interested in putting those door here, okay, you can do a commenting here. Okay, so you can put the text there, you can name it as whatever that you want. You say that change the door type, and then the best part is that you can assign. Okay, you can assign those issues to somebody else. So this is the, I mean, this is the thing, the collection of the markup that I did. Okay, so this one you can set it to private, or you can make it unprivate. Okay, so that the rest of the member can see what are the things, what are the issue at the site. And then the next thing, after you have done the markup, okay, you have the opportunity to assign, okay, to those. Let's say that on this issue, I want to assign to contractor A. On this issue, I want to assign to contractor B. So it always can be done through the BIM 360. And then here is about the basic things in the construction you can measure. Okay, this one is about the dimension. And then this one, if you want to know what is the area, you can always do using the BIM 360. The best part is actually, it's come here, but even though you don't have a Revit application, you always can view all the model or the AutoCAD file inside the BIM 360 web browser. You don't have to be you don't have to be, I mean, and install built-in software inside your laptop. Okay, and then this one is about the commenting here. Okay, all right, about the view, you can do it from there, and then this one you can adjust in terms of the precision, right? Okay, so this one is about the issue that previously I talked about. So this one you can assign it to whenever that you want to sign with regards to the projects. Okay, let's say this one move forward to CM. Okay, you can assign to by picking on the user, role, or company, and this one location, and so what STD you did here. Okay, all right. Okay.